Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful student ideas. So I hope friends you are enjoy my videos. So let's start today videos. So friends, viewers, nature gives us the perfect canvas. These simple stones are getting a beautiful makeover today. I love creating crafts from natural materials because every piece already has its own story. The process is slow, relaxing, and full of creative. A little inspiration can turn everyday object into something amazing. Small stone, big ideas, endless possibilities. And friends, just a simple stone, or is it some things, the most ordinary things are hiding the most beautiful possibilities. Today I am giving this little stone a creative transform and turn it into a handmade piece of art with fantasy, imagination, and a few artist touch. This natural piece becomes something completely unique. Every shape inspires a new ideas, every detail add a little more magic. Stonecraft reminds us that beauty does not always need to be perfect. It just needs a creative heart. A simple piece of nature turned into something special. Natural little t-shirts can become amazing creations. These stones taught us a simple piece from nature, but with creative, with the creative, it's become a beautiful decoration. I love how every stone has its own personality, different shape, different texture, and endless ideas. The process is claiming creative and so sensitive to watch a little painting, a little imitation, and a simple stone turn into a masterpiece. Handmade crafts are special because they carry down love, creative in every detail. And friends, turn rocks into something magical. Now a simple stone core become this beautiful with every brush stroke and every little detail. This craft story comes to life. The best part about creating is watching an idea become real right in front of you. Now two stones are ever the same, and they make every artwork one of a kind.